The songs to sing, and I feel very lucky that I'm a part of a genre of music that loves telling stories. And sometimes we get to tell stories about real life stuff, you know, family, things that have happened in your life that you need to use as therapy, you know. But sometimes we just make up stories and have some fun with it, and we get to slip into character and get a little dark, get a little dramatic, get a little cinematic. I've had a lot of fun throughout my career writing story songs and doing music videos and stuff like that that tell a story in that way. And that story that we just told was a little bit dark. It's about to get maybe a little darker. I'm going to tell you a story about a girl named Judy. Judy had enough. She decided to do a little something about it. This is her story. Jenny grew up